Good afternoon, guys. Njani? Bengicela ubuza niyamazi uYesu.
What the fuck is that?
Who?
I'm talking about Jesus.
Jesus.
Yeah,
Jesus,
yeah,
Jesus,
yeah.
Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus. Oh. Who's okay? Give man Jesus.
Jesus kinda.
Oh. Eric. Man, hagimuze. But when I came. What about one? But one, they know who Jesus is. Just go ask them, they'll help you.
Hey. Okay, Chief. Easy. Easy, Captain. Easy, we are coming.
From today,
Yeah.
you go to know Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Guys, I say namhlanje.
Namhlanje.
Ngoba ngaba man of God.